Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about 5 best video effect editors apps for TikTok and Instagram. These all apps are totally free, and you can find them on download link in description. If are new to my channel, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel. We are very close to 10K family. Here, you can find the best Reels and TikTok video editing apps for both Android and iOS. In case you are looking for the best Instagram video editors for stories and posts, then go through our video. In this video, you can expand the table below and jump straight to a Reels video editor of your choice. Here is the 5 best video editor, and you can find them on the Play Store. Number 5 is Vita. If you are an art enthusiast, or you want to create professional, creative videos with attractive movies, an excellent suggestion for you is the application Vita. This application will help you to edit directly on your phone when capturing great videos with friends, when going on a picnic, traveling, without having to use a personal computer. It comes with all the features you need to make an excellent movie. Main features. Application with the main function is professional video editing. In addition, players can also make the video more animated by adding text, content, sticker, to the video that needs editing. It has many different font formats, images, color styles, for you to choose from, along with effects and other utilities in the most professional way. Therefore, this is a useful application to help you create vivid and more attractive videos, helping you create videos that are beautiful and very professional. Number 4 is Zoamarang Short Videos. Zoamarang only needs one button to bring the world's best short videos. It is also an application used to create vibes for posting on social networking sites like TikTok. Of course, it will provide users with more advanced features, create new trends, or simply create the best quality videos possible. In addition, the application also has highly detailed tutorials on the trends that people are responding to. You just have to follow it. Main features. These effects are sourced directly from TikTok and the most popular edits on the platform. With just a few simple steps, you can become one of those who keep up with the trends of the times. In addition, to get more attention, you also need to enhance your creativity. If you already have a good idea in mind, just come up with an idea and edit it a little more. Don't be a copy of someone else when you can be creative. Number 3 is Filto. Editing beautiful photos to post on social networks is a significant concern of many young people today. You want to have a beautiful photo that receives praise from the fans. Along with that is the fun and happiness of being rated well by reviewers. Understanding many young people's minds, we have created Filto, video filters, phosphorus editor, sparkle effect, an intelligent video and image creator with automatic color correction effects. It will give users satisfaction and comfort forever. Check out the surprise from this clever app. Main features. Filto, video filters, phosphorus editor, sparkle effect are applications that are trusted by many people today. And most of all, this application is really free. Young people do not need to hesitate anymore. This is a really great application. You can edit anything you want, from cutting, merging videos and photos. No matter what part you want to delete or cut, the application is complete easily. Number 2 is Indie Aesthetic. Deal for those people who like to edit and improve their photos. Prequel is an application where you will find a variety of filters and tools to improve your photos in any way you can think of. Is simple and easy to use. If you are a creative person, Prequel, effects, filters and editing is an application for you, since you will find an unlimited number of professional tools, providing you with a fast and safe editing process to save your photos. Without a doubt, an ideal application for photographers. Main features. Although there are a variety of photo applications, Prequel provides unique tools and possibilities for those creative people who are fanatics of editing and design. You will be able to find it for free download on any digital platform, counting on its mentioned membership to enjoy even more possibilities in the world of editing. As if that wasn't enough, Prequel will guarantee you new filters and tools every week, in case you need any tool to improve your editing process, being able to modify and customize these effects. Number 1 is Prequel. The current art of editing and photography styles is now widely loved by young people and professional photographers. Everyone has a different style, and through photo editing, they want to convey their lifestyle to the world. There are many different photo editing apps on the market, but Indie Aesthetic 3D is still the most prominent choice, thanks to its capabilities and features. The greatness in filters or layers is always a new and attractive creation. With only small and simple changes in colors or effects, they will be given modern and novel names. Because of that, the user's reach is vast and stimulates their creativity to a new level. Main feature: Indie Aesthetic 3D works as a photo editor and editor at a time, and it can work with photos or videos to delight users in creating masterpieces. The application camera will be integrated with many built-in AI to improve working performance while allowing users to apply many special effects or filters. The impressive thing is that users can personalize or customize the camera to improve their performance. The application supports many different presets, and each preset can contain many settings, such as textures, effects, filters, and many other elements. That allows users to switch between different shooting styles depending on personal preferences easily.